Right now, we are living an environmental crisis. An environmental crisis takes place when the environment of a population changes and causes a destabilization that threatens its survival. Some examples that we are facing today are the increase of temperature, the lessening of rains, the melting poles, the extinction of species, the biodiversity loss, the deforestation and desertification, the droughts, the eutrophication of water bodies, the depletion of the ozone layer, and different ways of pollution.
It seems overwhelming that the damage that we do to our home, but fortunately we can do something to diminish the impact of human activity in the planet. And some of these examples are the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. Reduce stands for using fewer raw materials like less water and less energy. Recycle, it means like using waste to produce new products. And reuse is to simply don't throw away what is still working. Yeah.
Benefits of recycling. Recycling reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and to incineration plants. Every year, each American throws about 1,200 pounds of garbage every year that can be recycled. Also, it conserves natural resources such as timber, water, or minerals. Telephones, for example, are made of 42 different minerals, and televisions require 35 different minerals. Also, it prevents pollution by reducing the need to collect new raw materials. And, for example, recycling glass generates 20% less air pollution and 50% water pollution. Also, it saves energy because a single plastic bottle that is recycled gives enough energy to light a 60 watts light bulb for 6 hours. Also, it reduces the greenhouse emissions and helps to sustain the environment for future generations, and helps to create new well-paid jobs in the United States, because recycling plants generate 6 to 10 times more jobs than landfills or incineration plants.
Okay, so now we'll compare Mexico to other countries in the aspect of recycling, and it's basically Sweden that is the main recycling country that recycles about 96% of all waste materials, and with this they produce new energy and other sanitary effects. The other problem that this Sweden has is that they don't have enough waste to produce their energy, so they purchase other countries' waste so they can keep producing and recycling to produce their own energy. Mexico has various programs to recycle, and some of them are called Mexico's Feria para Terminar la Basura, and it's basically some campaigns to educate people, to encourage them to recycle, and such things like that. Soriana has many recycling programs, like the gathering of batteries. They have also a campaign to collect electronic devices that they don't work anymore so they can recycle, and they pay the customers to bring those electronic devices to their recycling centers.